Here is how I made the gold to rust effect in Blender. First, prepare the object you want to transform, then press N and go to the ProximityFlow Addon, for which the link is in the description. Next, add a UV sphere and place it near the object. Select the golden horse bust, then Shift-select the sphere and press Generate New Layer. Now the proximity relationship is established between the sphere and the object. Switch to Material Preview, then scroll down to the Variable Thickness section and select the object to transform. Then, go to the Shader Editor. In the material slot, you will need the golden material and the rust material, so press the plus button to add a new material slot and click New. You can manually make your own rust material as you like, or use the BlenderKit add-on material library, where you check Find Material, search for rust, find the rust look that you like, and then left-click and drag the material onto your sphere. After the material uploads, the textures may appear distorted or poorly mapped. So go to UV Editing, with the sphere selected, right-click and press Sphere Projection. Go back to the Layout tab, and the material should look well set. With the sphere still selected in the Shader Editor, press A to select all the nodes, and then press Ctrl+C. Go back to the rust material you created on the horse bust, rename it Rust for better organization, then delete the existing nodes. And press Ctrl+V to paste the rust material so that the golden horse bust now has two materials, the gold and the rust. Now press Add Solidify. If you encounter exploding geometry or sharp spiky artifacts, try decreasing the solidify thickness value, and if you notice any unnatural mesh tearing or jagged peaks in your object, decrease the thickness even more until the surface looks smooth. After you finish, press Material Coat, and a thin material coat of rust will form on your object near the sphere. As you move the sphere, the rust appears on the nearest areas. Scroll up to the Proximity Layer section, where you have an influence distance value. As you increase it, the rust starts spreading more. Go to the timeline and, at frame 1, set the influence distance to a lower value like 1 or 0, then click the keyframe icon in the distance field. Go to a later frame, increase the influence distance, and press the keyframe icon again. Finally, play the animation and watch the rust spread across the golden horse bust. This technique is a game changer for adding procedural wear and seamlessly transforming any material in your scene. Enjoy!